then here I have Dr. Vijay Kumari, gynecologist from PD Hinduja Hospital, Bombay. I am very glad and honored to have you here, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yes, now let's go. Why did you choose to become a doctor?
Medical practice is a respected profession, and I respected every human life, and I dedicate my life in servicing the poor and needy people, and I want to save people from suffering both physically and mentally. That is what.
Yeah, that's great. That's obvious. Next, why did you choose this field of specialty?
Since I'm a gynecologist, I always welcome new life in the world, and I would like to get detailed knowledge of various problems that a woman has to suffer, and I would like to find out the solutions for this problem through my research.
Yeah, that's nice. Next, what is your professional experience as a doctor?
To become a doctor, I had gone through a tough process of getting admissions in the colleges, and the study process was also, it was really tough, and I'm so happy and glad that I'm a gynecologist now and doing deliveries, and seeing the babies cries and the family's happiness, and also I'm so happy now.
Yeah, that's nice. I'm also very happy by hearing to your words.
Thank you.
Now you're working in PD Hinduja Hospital, and why this hospital interests you?
As a doctor, my duty is to do the best for the patients, and this hospital is the best in its field, and their aim is also to serve the poor and needy people.
Yes.
And also this hospital is equipped with the latest equipments, and all the services are good, and the team of doctors also doing the best in the city. That is why I
Yeah,
chose
okay,
this.
that is fine. That is fine. As a doctor, you may have many plans about the future. Can you tell me what are your future plans?
Yeah, if you're a doctor, then you also have a dream of doing something
Yes.
big in a lifetime, right? Like that, I also have a dream that I wanted to open a hospital in the city with all the latest equipments from all around the world.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, that is my dream of future.
Okay, that is great. Now let us go to the next question. How will you handle emergencies and workload in your hospital?
If there is a medical emergency in my hospital, my first step will be to save the patient rather than engaging in the formalities. As a doctor, I know I have to do something good and best to the patient to save his life.
Yeah.
And I'll try to arrange all the specialities if required, and informing police and all will be the final step after stabilizing the patient.
Yeah, that's nice. That sounds very great. Next, what is your routine on your daily basis?
Actually, my duty time is from 8 o'clock to night 8 o'clock.
Okay.
I'll be on time at 8 a.m. in the morning, and I may extend my duty timings if I get any emergency patients for deliveries and all. Even if I get tired also, I do not give up, and I will run forward to save the life. Yeah, I'm happy for that.
Yeah, that's nice. Even if you are tired, we should not give up and we should run forward only to save the lives of people. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Ma'am, as a doctor, what are your strengths and weakness?
Begin with my weakness. I can do all my duties very well, but it will be difficult for me to be available for night shifts due to some personal problems.
Okay.
And also my strength, since I'm a gynecologist, I can also be available and assist for other surgeries like gastrointestinal related surgeries. I can assist if in case of emergencies. That's how we can save the life
that's
of
nice.
patients.
Yeah, that's nice. That's very good. Now let's go into the next question. What is your ability to face the challenges, both medical and personal?
As a doctor, I have to face many challenges daily.
Yes.
So I must highlight my ability to tackle these challenges very carefully and intellectually, rather than getting hyper.
Yeah.
Dealing with challenges faced by a doctor, if not handled properly, can lead to a death of the patient. So I have to show my power, making decisions in situations of emergency, is really, really important.
Nice, that sounds great. Now we shall go to the next question. Was doctor your dream job or you had any other goals to achieve?
No, actually, to become a doctor is a dream of my parents as well as myself.
Okay.
During my school days, I was really interested in studying human anatomy and physiology and all. So I focused much on that.
Okay.
And I got good marks in my high secondary, and eventually I got doctor seat also. So during the college days and all, that was really tough to study and complete the semesters and everything. So though it was really hard, I completed the degree, and I'm so happy and glad that I'm a doctor now.
Yeah, that's very great and that sounds very interesting for me too. Now let's go to the final question. So far we have been facing COVID-19 pandemic situation. As a doctor, what is your advice to the viewers?
Everywhere we are facing COVID pandemic.
Yes.
So people, please be careful. Take care of your families and children, and wear mask, sanitize yourself often, wash your hands thoroughly, and maintain social distancing of 1 meter between two people, and drink lot of hot water, and take a lot of homemade medicines that is really working nowadays. So don't think that it will be get over by 2 or 3 days and all. It won't, and you should always be careful with your family and children. Please be safe. Thank you.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you, and thank you for accepting my invitation and coming here with me.
Thank you so much, Christy, for inviting me here.
Yeah, thank you, and here is the end.